Bushair bin Yasar says that Hazrat Abdullah bin Sahal bin Zayd and Hazrat Muhayyatha bin Masud radiyallahu anhum, who belonged to Banu Haritha in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times, went to Khaybar. In those days, the Jews would reside in Khaybar, and there was a peace accord between the Muslims and the Jews. They parted for some purpose. Later on, Hazrat Abdullah bin Sahal was found dead in a pond. His companion buried him. He then reached Medina Munawwara. Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Sahal, the brother of the deceased Hazrat Abdullah bin Sahal, and Hazrat Muhayyatha and Huwayyatha went to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and narrated to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam the episode of Hazrat Abdullah's murder and mentioned the place where he was martyred. Bushair reports this hadith from the companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to them, "Can you put the murder charge against the murderer, or said against the defendant by taking 50 oaths?" They submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we were not present there, nor have we witnessed the murderer." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Then the Jews will prove their innocence by taking 50 oaths." They submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they are non-Muslims. How can we believe their oaths?" Bushair says, then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam paid the blood money from himself. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4322.